Robert, we haven't spoken about the government shutdown in a while, but it seems like we are seeing the effects, especially when it comes to retail sales.
Yes, Susan, we're still seeing the impact of the government shutdown in some of the data, retail sales included. January retail sales numbers did come up a little bit, 0.2, but that was weaker than expected, and that follows on the heels of a big drop in December. So the jury's still out on how the consumer's feeling right now. Confidence is coming back up. I do expect the numbers to firm up later this spring, but we're going to be watching that closely.
Robert, what can you tell us about consumer price index and producer price index?
Yes, Susan. Both these price indexes very important in terms of Federal Reserve policy right now because the Fed is feeling no push from inflation that would require them or might require them to increase interest rates. So the consumer price index for January up 0.2, the producer price index for January up 0.1. I do expect them to moderate over the next couple of months. So right now we're going to say the Fed policy is on hold with no push from inflation.
Moving on to small business optimism, we had seen the numbers sliding for a few months, but now it looks like it's back up.
Yes, we had 5 consecutive months of decline through the end of last year, through early this year. And now the most recent reading for February, the numbers came back up, not a lot, but up slightly. And at least that breaks that sliding trend. And I think, again, the government shutdown is a factor here. And we're getting on the other side of that. And business confidence, I think, will improve a little bit because of that.